Good morning, all. How are you? Hope you all are fine at your home. Are you studying ICT? Okay. So, welcome back to ICT class. This is our video class 25, and the previous class you have learned about GeoGebra software and about the last and final activity in GeoGebra, which is drawing a circle and adjusting that circle using a number slider. And also you have learned about one example related to GeoGebra. So that's our software, second software, GeoGebra. So now we have understood about the education software in geography and what geometry. Geography means G-plate software, geometry means GeoGebra software. So let's move to science. Okay. So in astronomy, you are very interesting about astronomy. Viewing the sun, planets, constellations, then stars, etc. So there are some limitations of viewing the sky, isn't it? There are some limitation. So by using one simulation software, that brings a virtual reality related to this sky, a virtual reality. That's one software called Stellarium. By using Stellarium from the name itself, related to stellar object. So you can view the sky, stars, sun, then planets, then constellations, etc. So you can enter different locations. You can adjust the time in Stellarium. So by using this software, you can view any location, the sky view of any location at any time. That's the advantage of using this software. So we are moving to astronomy, okay, science. So by the end of this class, you will able to learn about the simulation software called Stellarium that generates virtual reality of the sky in order to view the stellar object. And also the learner understands about constellation details of different constellation. So these are the three main activities in Stellarium software. So comparing with that other software, Stellarium is such an easy software. You must learn about different tools. There are only a difficult task in this software. So let's see these three activities in Stellarium software. We are going to view the sky and the stellar objects like constellation, stars of different location. In different time you can view the stellar object. So let's see this activities using Stellarium software. Okay. So let's start with the new software Stellarium. Go to Applications, Education, Stellarium to view the stellar object. Select the Stellarium software. So this is the Stellarium software. Here your main activity is to find the constellation. But in your textbook, they are specified some other activity. Let's adjust the location, then to find the orbital line, then adjust the date and time. So your duty is to find the constellation. But I'll show what is the use of each and every tool. If you move your mouse cursor to the left side, you can see so many tools here. When you move your mouse cursor to each and every tool, you can see the corresponding name of that tool. Location window, date and time, sky and viewing option. Likewise, bottom also you can see several tools. Constellation lines, constellation labels, art, then azimuthal grid, ground. So several tools are here. Here you can see one triangle icon. So if you click on this triangle icon, the toolbar will get fixed over here. Here also in bottom also you can see one triangle option. If you click on that triangle option, a toolbox will get fixed in this screen. So let's start with the first activity, adjust the location. So select the location window. Here we can search for location. Now I am going to search for Thiruvananthapuram. Here you can see the location place. Okay, according to our time in our system, you can view the sky option. If you are searching for another place, Kolkata, then click on close button. So you can view the corresponding sky view of that particular place. Here we can adjust the date and time. Second tool. So select the date and time. Here we can adjust the date and time. According to our time, you can see the corresponding change in our sky. So I am going to select night. Here it is railway time. Then here also we can adjust the date. Okay. So this is the use of date and time window. Then next I am moving to main activity, viewing constellation group of star. Several constellations are there, Leo, Orion, Scorpion, etc. So we can view the constellation line by using three main tools. Down in the bottom toolbar we can see three main tools. Click on the first tool, constellation lines. So we can see the line diagram of several constellation. If you click on second tool, constellation labels, we can see the name of that tool. Scorpius, Sagittarius, then what? Leo, then Telescopium, etc. If you click on next tool, constellation art tool, we can see the diagram of that constellation. See, diagram of that particular constellation. We can see some green color. So in order to view the sky which is boundless, click on ground tool. Here we can see the ground tool. If you click on this ground tool, we can see the sky in boundless. See the change? So this is the ground tool. Now if this is daytime, suppose it is daytime, I am going to change it as daytime, and for changing it into night view, okay, to view the space clearly using during the daytime, we can make use of another tool called atmosphere tool. Activate atmosphere tool in the status bar to view the space clearly during daytime. If you click on this atmosphere tool, our daytime will change into night. So these are the main tools which we are using in Stellarium software. All tools are described in page number 69. Constellation lines, label, constellation art, ground tool in order to view the sky in boundless, atmosphere tool in order to view the sky clearly during daytime. Now we can search for different constellation. Here we can see the search window in the left toolbar. Click on the search window, search for constellation. I am going to search Leo. Press the search button. See, this is the Leo constellation. Now I am going to search another constellation, Orion. Click on search button. We can see the Orion. Here you can see the constellation label Orion. Likewise, we can search for every constellation. So this is the main activity in this Stellarium software. By using several tools, we can view the stellar object. Okay. Then we can zoom it by clicking page up and page down keys in your keyboard. In your keyboard, you can see at the top of your keyboard, we can see two icons, page up and page down. If you click on page up option, we can zoom this particular constellation. If you click on page down, we can zoom out. So this is the first activity in Stellarium software. Now let's see the next activity, activity 5.11 in your textbook. Let's find the ecliptic line. So how to see the ecliptic line around this sky? For that, as per your textbook points, I am describing this. So page number 70, take page number 70 and listen to that points. First point, click on sky and viewing options window. In left side toolbox, this one is that tool, sky and viewing options window. Click on this tool. So another window you can see. From this window, click on markings tab. From markings tab in the top, click on markings tab and then put a tick mark on ecliptic of date. That figure is given in page number 70, figure 5.15. Ecliptic of date. Here put a tick mark. Okay, then close the window. So now zoom it using page up and page down. You can bring the ecliptic line in the range of visibility either by dragging the mouse or by using arrow keys in your keyboard. Then identify the list of constellation in the ecliptic line using constellation lines, constellation labels and constellation art. By using arrow key, we can see the ecliptic of date. Here we can see the sun. This is the ecliptic of date. We can give date and time also. So this is the another activity. Let's find the ecliptic line. It is not that much important. I just showed because it is described in your textbook. So like this we can make use of this ecliptic of date. Here you can see one yellow color. This is known as ecliptic of date. Then suppose if you want to view it as Malayalam. It is described in page number 70. One box, one small box it is given. Names of stellar object in Malayalam. So how to view it as Malayalam? For that click on configuration window tool from the left side toolbox. Here select the sky culture language. Sky culture language. Select Malayalam. So many languages are here. Select Malayalam. Then we can view it as Malayalam. Kanni. Then Chingam. Leo is known as Chingam. Then here Kanni. Every constellations we can view in Malayalam. Okay. By viewing the constellation, you can fill up the table 5.1, page number 70. Name of the stars in Leo constellation. So identify the name of stars. For that, search window. Click on search window and select. Click on the search window and search for Leo constellation. After that, using page up tool in your keyboard, page up key, you can zoom the Leo constellation and note it down. These are the group of stars in Leo constellation. Denibola, then Regulus, Algiba, Sosma. So these are the particular stars in Leo constellation. Likewise, we can view the constellation name of the stars in different constellations. So this will be a question for the practical exam. Maybe search for a particular constellation and note it down. Identify the name of stars. So after that, there is no save option. In the Stellarium software, there is no save option. So instead of saving, we can make use of screenshot. In your keyboard, you can see print screen option. Top of your keyboard, you can see print screen key. Just press on that print screen. So there is no save option. Then next is how to close this Stellarium software. Bottom, you can see the quit window tool, bottom toolbox, last tool, quit window. So close it, and where you can see the screenshot, take home folder, select pictures folder. There you can see the screenshot. See, like this we can save the corresponding question in Stellarium. Take a screenshot, and this will be obtained from pictures folder from main home folder. Okay. So that's all about third software Stellarium. Hope you all have clear about Stellarium software. So in the next class, you will learn about the final software called RASMOL. Okay. It is also related to science, chemistry. You can draw the molecular structure of different atoms and molecules. Okay. So in today's session, you have learned about third software called Stellarium software, and there in that software you have learned about first activity, adjusting the location and date and time, and also viewing constellation art by using several tools like atmosphere tool, ground tool, constellation art tool, constellation line tool, constellation labels, etc. and study each of the uses of different tools from your textbook. And last topic was finding ecliptic line from sky and viewing options window tool. From that tool, click on ecliptic of date in the celestial sphere list of markings tab. Put a tick mark on that ecliptic of date. Then we can view the ecliptic line. Here is a homework for you. Write the name and uses of different tools used in Stellarium software. In your textbook, there are different tools and their uses. like atmosphere tool, ground tool, constellation art tool, location tool, search window, date or time tool. So several tools are there. So read your textbook activities in Stellarium and write down the name of tool and its use in your notebook. Okay. So hope you all have clear about today's session. We'll see in the next class. Next class we'll come to an end to the 5th chapter. One more software is remaining, which is called as RASMOL. So we'll see in the next class. Okay. So thank you and have a nice day.